Oh my gosh, look how wide. You can even see like the paper bag here on the right side. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ericka. For today's video, we're gonna unbox my new camera. That is the Sony ZV-1. And then I bought some accessories as well in Shopee or Lazada. I'm gonna show you guys everything later. So let's start.
Got no direction, but you don't mind. And now I say, I'll live without you. You say you mind. I say, I'll be without you. You say no way.
Nice. For 29.
Ayan, nakakonect na siya.
Ano na?
Hindi naman pala siya super lapid.
Oo.
Akala ko super lapid siyang gano'n. Yan.
Hello?
Hello. Si Mami. Mami. Ano si Ate?
Hello. I-add kita, isi-subscribe kita ma'am sa YouTube channel.
Napagastos ako. Hello. Invest mo dahil. Okay, so let's start with the accessories. So in the box, you can see that there is a white windscreen. This one, I'm gonna show it to you guys. So this is how it looks like. But they gave me this package, limited edition canvas pouch and windscreen. And the color of the windscreen is so cute. It's like a rainbow color, pink, purple, and blue. And this is how the pouch looks like. It fits the camera and the hand grip as well as the batteries, because you know you would want to bring some spare batteries if you're going out while using this camera. Aside from this pouch, they also gave me a free SD card. This is really important. You know, when filming, when using the camera, you need a large capacity of SD card so that the storage will not get full easily. And then aside from that, I bought this batteries from them. It is Smatree. Actually, in the camera, as you can see, there is only one battery, right? So I bought some extra because I know you can only film for 2 hours straight with the one battery, and you have to buy the charger separately. But this one, it has a charger already. So as you can see, this is how the charger looks like, and this is how the battery looks like. So 2 of these, and then you're just gonna put it in, and there, you're just gonna plug it like that. Very easy. And the good thing is that this can charge the Sony ZV-1 battery as well. Okay, now let's move on to the mic that I use. So you guys have seen this lapel. If you guys watch my previous videos, I've been using it for so long already. But then I tried using this in the Sony ZV-1. It's not compatible, but you know, I prefer, of course, the lav mic because it is much clearer for me, like the bass. But then I found an affordable mic that can be used in the Sony ZV-1, and that is the Boya MM1. So it's pretty nice as well. I used this on my video before. It comes in 2 cords, so you can use it on your phone and you can also use it on your camera. Okay, so next is the tripod. So I know I have this hand grip because it is much cheaper if you buy the hand grip and the camera immediately than buying it separately. And the good thing about this hand grip is that you can zoom in and zoom out using this, and you can click record, and this one is to capture the photo. And then you can press this so that you can angle your camera up and down, or up and down, like that. And then you can use this as a stand already. There you go. And you can connect this beside the camera. For me, what I realized when using the camera, it's a bit too near. Like, let's say I'm vlogging like this, it's a bit near for me. So I decided to buy this Ulanzi tripod. And it's really nice as well. You can angle it backward or forward like that. And you can use this as a stand already. When you're vlogging, you know, there's more surroundings can be seen. And it's color white and it matches my camera. So anyways, I'm gonna put the price on the screen. Of course, you can see that. And of course, the links in the description box below. So okay, so this solves my problem. If ever, you know, I want to see more surroundings behind me when vlogging. But there is another accessory that can solve that, and that is the Ulanzi ZV-1. Before I buy a camera, I watch all reviews and they recommend this. Like, a lot of people have recommended this and it's really nice. You guys have seen my intro, right? It's pretty nice and it's packed really well. I know I have a lot of Ulanzi products here with me, but this is not sponsored, okay? I just trust the brand Ulanzi. When you open it, you can see the item immediately like this. I haven't attached it to my camera yet. I know you have to use this 3M. They have this so that you're gonna stick it in the camera, and then once you stick it, that is the time that you're gonna put this. So let me show you how, you know, the difference with and without the wide angle camera. This is an early birthday gift of Rachel, so thank you so much, Rachel. Okay, so this is without the wide angle lens, and then this is with the wide angle lens. So I did not attach it yet. Okay, so with and without, with and without, with and without. So it's really nice. I'm really grateful that Rachel gave me this. The next item is this wrist strap. So this is the wrist strap, and I bought this in Shopee, and because I observed that, you know, there's a place for it. Look, you can attach this here, and you can even attach this beside the camera so that you know, it will not fall, because, you know, mahirap na. Oh my gosh. There you go. And the good thing about this is that, let's say you put it on your wrist already, right? You can adjust it like this. So the last three accessories that I'm gonna show you guys, this is not related to the camera already, but I think it would be beneficial as your vlogging accessory. So first is this Ulanzi phone holder, because let's say you want to use a second camera and you want to use your phone, especially that, you know, good lighting is key, and you can use your phone. To me, I've been using my phone only to vlog for more than a year, and this is what helped me because it's really durable. It's not the flimsy one. It's, look, it's metal. Just gonna scroll it like that. Let's say this is my phone, right? I'm gonna screw it like this so it will not fall anymore. Look. And you can even use this also. So you want to put it like that. Very nice. Then you can vlog. Like that. And then I bought this camera from Ulanzi also, again, because I want to have a good setup in my room. It's still in a working progress, but I tried. In my previous video, I think I tried using the lights. And this is the first light that I purchased. So it's from Ulanzi, and look, there's a charger. And of course, the lighting. So this is how it looks like. There, like that. For me, I prefer filming in the morning so that, you know, I like natural light more. But let's say I have to film a video already and I don't have a time to film at night, in the morning, then I can use my lights. And the other two lights that I purchased is this one. So these are the two lights, so I'm just gonna show you one. And it comes in a tripod, a mini tripod there. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It's pretty small, but you're gonna be amazed by how powerful the lighting is. It's pretty fast. So again, this is the lighting, right? And it even comes with different colors. So if ever you're doing TikTok or even you're doing YouTube, there. So you have red, yellow, blue, green, and white. I'm just gonna insert it here. This one. Like that. So this is what I used. This is the lighting, right? And as you can see, there's a switch. And then of course, again, there's a tripod. This one, it's very small lang talaga. There. So this is how it looks like. And also I have a ring light, and I think I mentioned this in one of my haul before, but I'm just gonna show you clips of it if you guys are interested to buy that also. So yeah, that is it for today's video, everyone, and I can't wait to make more quality content for you guys. So yeah, I'm really grateful. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. Bye!